Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to export users from Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. As a business grows and changes, you might need to move user information out of Google Workspace. One common scenario is when an employee leaves the company and you need to transfer their data to another user or archive it for compliance purposes. Another reason could be the need to migrate data to a different platform or backup data for disaster recovery purposes. xFanatical Foresight Automation tool is a powerful solution that streamlines the process of exporting Google Workspace users. It is designed to simplify Google Workspace user management, improve efficiency, and enhance security. How to export users from Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page. Click the blue button at the bottom right to create a new rule. Step 1. In the Select a Trigger screen, click the Manual Trigger. Click on Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Users action. Grant Foresight access permission in Google Workspace. Modify configurations in the Columns field, select Email, First Name, and Last Name columns. Step 3. Click Add Next action, then select the Email action. In the Email action, select the recipient in the To field. The To field is the manager's email address, where you want to send the data. Add a subject line. Compose an email containing the download link for the active users list. So, for adding variables, click on the V icon, then click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule name for identification and click Create. Verification of the rule. Go to the Rules page and click the play icon next to the created rule. Ensure to check the notification bell for any notifications. Click on Show All to confirm successful execution of the rule. Click on View Log to navigate to the log page. Search for a downloadable link containing the list of active users. Additionally, the manager also received an email with an attached link to CSV. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.